Good day, everybody. Continuing where I left off in my last video, just wanted to show you here. We've got this report that I've now can generate. I'm just focusing on the ES futures contract. Today is the 15th October. You can see here we've generated some data up to October 13th, 2025. We've got data covering 254 trading days. So what I've done was I've shown this report. I've got samples of it. You can see that in my prior YouTube video. But nonetheless, what I've done was I went to the bottom here and I took the recommendations of all of this stuff right here. And you can see here we have different strategies and different conditions built around this strategy and the data that I provided from MotoWave. The interesting thing is this is what it generates. It's pretty wild. Okay, so I've talked about many different LLMs out there, AI. This one is quite advanced. I provided that file I just showed you, um, the data file. Again, this one right here, again from generated from the one of the futures contracts from MotoWave. So here it suggested all the different strategies. So I'm able to get forward tested based around the data providing that CSV. I provided using all of those suggested strategies. You can see here, this one, the cash uh, secured put is the most lucrative. Okay. Um, and here you have the average return, and this is the performance overall. So here's the metrics. So right here, you can see the win ratio, 92%. Okay. And and this is all backtested of real market data over the last, whatever that period was, 2 years worth of data. So you can see here, you can choose which one you think might be worthwhile. You get a 92% win ratio, but the ratio right here on the Sharpe is at almost at 1.99. Um, and here you can see the maximum drawdown for this one. So this is not the best one to go with. This one's okay. I tolerate this one. The bull call spread profit factor 4.45 is pretty strong. So there you go. Cash secured put, uh, bull call spread. Probably this one's the most lucrative. So it depends upon what you're wanting. So if you want a moderate, you do this moderate bull call spread, limited risk, capped upside. Um, and as it says here, this is for demonstration purposes only. You should know that always, whatever you see online, not to be recommended for live trading. But hey, knowing me, I might do it. So that one might be the best. Bull call spread. Okay. Now, if I want to do short, which I don't recommend, we have here cover calls um, as well. Cover call average return 1.7, Sharpe ratio 1.4, max drawdown too high for my taste. Profit factor 311. So I like that bullish one that I just showed you. If you want a neutral one as well, you got here an Iron Condor. Okay. Same thing. And this is again all forward tested. This is a walk forward. Um, so here you can see this is just wild hallucination. Um, but regardless, this is typical of these type of dashboards that I've shown all year. But still, I think the one that I just showed you for the bullish is probably a realistic one. That's called cash secured put. So let's do a comparison of them all. Um, so we have here the bullish call spread, average return 1.4%, Sharpe ratio 1.99, max drawdown at 19%, which I could tolerate, profit factor 4.4. So some other interesting things. Market trend is neutral for this. uh, and moderate level. And it talks about the position sizing that you could take. Limit trade to 3% of portfolio capital. Current position at 3,000. Um, Stop loss management, take profit, and so on and so forth. So basically, what this means, and I'm just using the default for this dashboard. Again, everything I've done here is 100% AI generated. So what can we take away from this stuff? Uh, is that what we can take away is which strategy to use. Again, we've got this bull call spread, so we can ask for that. We can also put in the risk management guidelines as well as part of the creation of. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to create a indicator and a strategy with this data for the this particular ES strategy, and use micro ES, and make it available for MotoWave. Let's see how I do here. This will be an interesting test, and just simulate it through MotoWave and see what it comes up with once I generate that code for MotoWave using the SDK in Java, and see what happens. So far, this is a second step. As I said, if you want to know more about what I'm doing, um, so go to quantlabsnet.com. You got two choices here. If you want to know more what I'm doing, you can just join my newsletter. You can also get C++ HFT infrastructure ebook as well, all free. If you want, you can do the 7-day trial on my quant analytics as well. It's canceled before your period is up in 7 days, and virtually no risk there. Everything I do not release information as well. So if you want to try it out, let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.